In this video, let me show you how to turn on and off the sync profile with intelligent key, and let me explain what does this feature do. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. So let's open this home button on the left side of the screen. Then let's look for the gear icon. This is the gear icon, and let's tap it to open the settings. If you open the settings, you've got access to the following list. Let's select here Edit User. If you tap Edit User, you can use one of the following features and settings, and one of them is Sync Profile with Intelligent Key. As you can see, you can turn it off. When the syncing is turned off, the user settings may be missing. Would you like to proceed? Let me tap OK, just for this purpose. But of course, if you would like to enable this, you can do it again by using this toggle, and the intelligent key link is on. So how it works, this is a high-tech convenience feature, especially if two people share the car. The car links your specific user profile to the physical key fob in your pocket. As soon as you open the door with your key, the car recognizes you. It will automatically move the seat and mirrors to your safe position and load your favorite music before even sit down. So it could be really useful, and I really highly recommend to have this feature enabled. You can also tap here user profiles, and if you, for example, choose one of the profile, let me tap no, let me just use this button to change and edit the user profile. You will see the intelligent key number here. So if the intelligent key number will be connected with some profile, you will see the information right here. So it's also quite useful. Right now I'm using guest, so probably intelligent key number is connected to the guest profile. That's it. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.